So guys, let me show you what I can do in codings for the W222. So the first thing, on the radio I can change the boot logo to AMG or to Maybach, like on this one with the Maybach logo, if you prefer that, or AMG instead of Mercedes-Benz. Another thing is, what you see is the car, if you don't have an AMG car but you want to have the AMG body kit car on the that you see in the settings, right, vehicle settings for example, and you get the AMG body kit. It looks nice, nicer than the regular one, and there should be a view where you can see it from the back, and then you see the 4 exhaust AMG style. Somewhere, I don't remember where it was exactly, but anyway, so you get the AMG boot logo or the Maybach. And another thing is the fuel, instead of percentage, I can code you this one in liters or in gallons, accordingly what is right for your car, right? So instead of percentage, you get gallons or liters. Another thing is Eco Start Stop last mode, so always remember the last mode. So now it's off, it stays off even when I turn on the car. Now I turn it on. Let me turn off the ignition, turn back on the ignition, and you see it stays on, right? And so it always remembers the last setting, so you can choose the default setting. Now when I set it to off, and now I restart ignition, it stays off, so it remembers the last mode. This one with the airbag I need to take care of. Another thing is, if you have a US specs model or if you have a Japanese specs model, the car will be limited to 210 kilometers per hour, or in miles it will be limited to 130 miles per hour. I can raise that limit to instead of 130 miles per hour, the governor, to 160 miles per hour, or for Japanese models to 250 kilometers per hour instead of 210 kilometers per hour. Another thing, what I can do is getting rid of the annoying gas pedal delay. So no more annoying gas pedal delay. When you press the gas pedal, it reacts much quicker. So no more annoying gas pedal delay. This will also make a huge difference in how the car behaves, how it drives. If you have a petrol car, V6 or V8, and you have a modified exhaust, then I can also code you pops and bangs. If you like that. Sounds like on the AMG cars, the pops and bangs when downshifting, it is decent. It is not aggressive ghetto style, so to speak, so it is it's decent, suits the car, especially with the V8. Sounds very nice. What else? Seatbelt warning, I can get rid of the seatbelt warning. If you don't want the seatbelt warning, I mean, of course, always wear your seatbelt. But if you don't like the warning, so you put the seatbelt yourself on without needing any warning, I can get rid of that. So no problem. So those are some of the codings. Depending on the year of the car, so if you have a 2019 model or up, I can code you the AMG menu with the 180 or 200 mile scale. In this case it would be 280 or 300 or 320, depending on the year of the car. You get also a track pace, a very nice feature, track pace. But like I said, 2019 and up, because on this one the instrument AMG menu would be possible, but requires flashing. Flashing takes like 10 hours with the multiplexer, so this is not something I would do remotely. Way too risky. Even here on spot I wouldn't do this because I'm afraid of power failures, especially in Tunisia. So so flashing, I wouldn't do this. But for 2019 and up, no flashing required. I can code you the AMG menu and lots of other stuff. So yeah, those are some of the features that I can code on the what you call it, on the S-Class, on the WV222. And of course I code also lots of other cars. Just hit me up with the message, with the private message, with the year of your car, and with the year of the car and the model, and I will walk you through what is available for your car. If I have forgot something, you will see the list. I will add the list under this video in the description, so you see what else is possible for this WV222. And yeah, that's it. Hope you like the video. Let me know if you have any questions, if anything is unclear. And like I said, if you're interested or you have another car, just shoot me a message via private message. I check my spam folder regularly. So yeah, feel free to contact me, reach out to me, and I'll walk you through the details. Thank you for watching.